It felt like when you take acid and you're like, something's happening, and then like the carrot takes over. I'm fucking in love with carrots, okay? Is that what you want to hear? I wanted to start taking a look at like more abstract understanding of things. How can we push food to the next level in terms of plant-based food? Making vegetables accessible, fun, interesting, invigorating. And I think that to me is the biggest driver of like everything I do every single day. How can we make a beautiful restaurant that has a great experience, excellent service, and like incredible food that also just happens to be plant-based? We don't have to be bound to cooking vegetables a certain way. Instead, we can look to cook vegetables like you would cook a piece of meat. Why can't we grill a carrot? Why can't we braise a piece of squash? Why can't we look at vegetables with the same lens and curiosity as we do with meat? It feels like you kind of throw away the book. How can we achieve these things without relying on animal products? That became like a new puzzle, and I became really captivated by it. I still don't get it. Like, I still don't know how you do it. That to me is what keeps me coming back to cooking. Infinite possibilities. When was the last time you had a piece of cauliflower that you just went wild about? Plant-forward dining is achievable, it's beautiful, it's invigorating, it's bringing a new lens to food and bringing a new lexicon to food. I would love to see people understand where food comes from and the impact that what they eat day in, day out has an impact on us all. That to me is the future of food.